This is a 115-ton 4-post compression molding press. It has oil-heated cavities and is used for compression molding of consumer products. One unique feature of this press is the fact that it utilizes 6 cavities. With the throughput that is achieved using these 6 cavities, there's no longer a bottleneck during this part of the process of their whole operation.
The typical cycle of this machine is the press would already be preheated to around 500 degrees. The operator will come over to the 2-hand controls and operate the 2-hand controls, which will then extend the press upward. At that point, once the press begins to make pressure, it will go into dwell for the programmed amount of time. Once the dwell has expired, the press will automatically open up, retracting back down.
With the up-acting ram, we are able to eliminate any product contamination that may occur due to the fact that all the oil and hydraulics are located within the press bed. This is the 4th multi-cavity press that we built for this customer in the past 10 years or so. They needed another press, so they came back to us, and we've been able to help them keep up with their demands from their end customer.